Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote. This is it's a website, but you can also download the app. I was able to download the app to my computer with no trouble, and if you have it on your if you download the app on your computer or your iPhone or your tablet or any phone, you'll be able to access any notes that you take. So I'm going to go through the basics, and we're going to learn how to create our first note. You can title your note, let's just say our to-do list. Okay? And then you can drag files from the internet, or you can type in what you need to do. So I need to complete homework for Lewis's class. Or I need to submit my reflection for her class. Okay? And then you can also set a reminder. So that's cool too, that if you I think I spelled her name wrong. There we go. You can set a reminder for so that you can but you have to have the app for you to do that. It can notify you. You can make it an important, and you can add a shortcut, this information, or you can trash it. Okay, so we're done with it. There's our note. Set a reminder. You can see right here, you can it will remind you whatever device that you have the app on. And then save web articles. Right here, what you can do is you can, let's say that I want to go to our Facebook page, our Facebook account, and go to our group. I can copy and paste the website in, and if you hit enter, it automatically makes it a hyperlink. And you can save iPads right to your you can save links right to your nose. Right to your notes, not to your nose. Goodness, it's been a long day, guys. Well, this isn't loading very well, but anyway, it's called Evernote Web Clipper, and it clips your web page, and like you can save pictures from the web page, or even like a section of an article. So if I really wanted to add a part where Mr. Lewis put in a thing on our group page on Facebook, I can use the web clipper and clip a little passage from it and add it to my notes. Alright, and then you can also, last thing for us to do on our little preview is you can sync it to your phone or any other computer. And one thing that's really great about this, and how I think we could use this in our classroom, is that students can use this to take notes throughout the lesson or throughout the week, and then, or you can use it as a reflection. But then I like to be able to access their notes and see what they're thinking and how they're getting to their solution of the problem. But this way they can, and then it's wherever they go. So if they're on a computer in a center, and then the next day they're on an iPad, they just log on to their Evernote, and all their stuff is still there. And then you can also use it as a end of a unit reflection also. So I think Evernote is a great reflection, note taking, and even an assessment tool.